Hello childrens. Lesson number 6 indices. Under this lesson today we will see the next part of our lesson, that is the that we seen it yesterday. This part. My friend maths in science and in astronomy. Okay, as you know that all the subjects are related to each other. So how that my friend, who is my friend? Maths is a friend of science and maths is a friend of astronomy. Okay, that we are going to see here. The power of 10 are especially used in writing the numbers in decimal system. Okay, suppose here 100 I wrote. So how 100 means what? 10 square. 1000, 10 cube. 10,000, 10 raised to 4. If one more zero I will give. So here fine. In this way, this power is there. The number we are writing above the number. This power. Okay. This power we are using. Especially, it is useful for writing the numbers in decimal system. Okay. So in decimal system inside, how the distance between earth and the moon, that is the distance between earth and moon is the 38 crores 40 lakh meter from earth. This is the distance between earth and the moon. So we can express in different ways, and for that we are using tens power. Here the heading of this part of the lesson is the maths friend in astronomy and science. So if you see here, the distance between the moon and the earth we can find, and this is the astronomical event also. So here how we can write 38 crores and 40 lakhs, we can write here in this way. If this whole number we have to take here 348, so how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here write 10 to the power of 6. 10 to the power of 6. If we are taking point after this 4, points decimal fraction we are telling. So if I will take the point after 4, means at this place, at this place here, where I am writing, giving the point here. Okay, so here we have to write in this way: 384 into 10 raised to power, or 10 to the power of how much? 6, because here 6 zeros are there, or point after 6 digits are there, zeros not, digits are there. Okay, now if instead of this point I don't want it here, but I will take it here one digit forward, that is 38.4. Now how to write the 10th power inside? So 38.4 into 10 to the power of 10's power, how to write now? After giving the point, means where we have to give the point 38.4. So here after this point, how many digits? Here it is the point, and how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits. So here write 10 to the power of 7, means 38.4 into 10 to the power of 7. So many times 0, 0, 0 if we are writing, then what happens? Sometimes it makes the, means so many zeros are there, then we cannot count it properly. So here we can use the 10 to the power of 7. It is the shortest way. Again, suppose I want point after this 3.84. Now here I will write, give the 1084. So 10 to the power, which number I should write here? After 3, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 10 to the power of 8. So where you are giving the decimal point, after that decimal point, how many digits are there? That much number you have to give the power of a 10. Okay, if you see here, if after giving point here 6 digits are there, so here 10 to the power of 6. When you give the point at after 8, how many digits? 7 digits, so here 10 to the power of 7. And after 3, if we are giving 10 to the power of 8. So this is the standard form of writing the numbers. Okay, that is the relation of astronomy and the maths. Now the science, we will move toward the science. Now the diameter of oxygen, see here oxygen is the science inside we are studying the oxygen. So the diameter of the oxygen atom is given below in millimeters. So see here. Now here also we have to give the decimal point. But here change is that if you see here the points before number, the numbers which are before point are the positive number. Okay, it is the number, but here it is before point 0 is there, and that's why the power is that we have to write, but power is always negative. Points before the point 0 is there, points before 0 is there, then point power is negative. Or one more thing is that if this decimal point move towards the left side, the power is positive, and decimal point when we have to move towards the right side, the power is negative. Okay, so see, let us see how many digits that. So this is the oxygen's diameter. Point where they had taken after 3 means here they had taken. So before 3, how many before that decimal point, how many digits are there? We will count. 1. I will cancel it, means you means for better understanding. 1. Actually cancel not. I am counting this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So decimal point moving right side towards right side, how many digits? 14 digits here, and that the decimal point is moving towards the right side, that's why 14 right and its point give negative, because decimal point is moving towards right side. From this what you are understanding? When the decimal point moving towards the left side, the power becomes positive, and when this decimal point moving toward the right side, means your right hand is the right hand of the number. So here the power is minus 14. Understand all of you? Now here it is given that try to write the following number in the standard form. Okay, the diameter of the sun is so here where we have to give the point. So here diameter of sun is given. Let us move count it. Unit, which place? Unit place, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, or you have here you have to give the points. So here, okay, so here 140 crores, and this much is the diameter of this diameter of the sun. So how to write this? So first of all, where you want the diameter decimal point, that we have to decide. So I will just zoom it and write here. How many zeros are there on it? 1, 4, 0. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here is comma, here it is, here it is. So these are the 100, tens and unit. Here it is 10,000, lakhs, and here it is crore, 140, and crores before 140 crores, 140 crores is the diameter. Suppose you want the point after 14. So here 14 after how many digits are there? Here point given means point after zeros are there, don't have any value. So how many numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 into 10 raised to 8. And if you want point after 1, then after this 4, how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 digits are there. So 10 to the power of 9. If 14, after 14 if you want to give the point, 10 to the power of 8, and after 1 you have to give the point 10 to the power of 9. Okay, so in this way you have to write the power. Okay, this is the diameter of the sun. Now this is also the part of astronomy, and here the velocity of light is the, I will write it here. So how many, when you want this point, velocity of light, so 3 after if you want to give the point after it, 10 to the power of how much it will count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 10 to the power of 8. So sometimes how to read that number is also difficult for us. But 10 to the power of means here suppose I will at unit, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, and hits forward numbers are there also there. So here instead of reading this 10 to the power of 8 is the velocity of the light, then it will be easy for us to explain the term. The box up alongside shows the number called as a goggle. Try to write as the power of 10. Count zeros and write it. Okay, how many zeros are there? Here write 10. How many zeros are there? Just count it and write it. Okay, I am not going to count. You just count. It is the activity. Okay, now finding the square root of perfect number. So first of all, you have to learn the squares. First of all, you have to learn the squares of numbers. Means 1 to 30 at least you have to learn the square. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9. So it will be not difficult for you to solve these examples. So here it is example 6 into 6. 6 square means 6 into 6 means only 36, and we can read as the square of 6 is 36. Okay, now minus 5 square. Minus 5 into minus 5. Minus 5 square means, 1 minute. Minus 5 square is equal to minus 5 into minus 5. You know that 5 square is 25. एंड गलत बात को गलत कहना क्या होता है? सही होता है. सो यहाँ पर पॉजिटिव नंबर विल कम. सो वो -5 एंड +5 स्क्वायर इज ऑल्सो what? That is the 25 only. So the square root of 25 is plus or minus 5. Okay, so in this way the square root we have to find out. Okay, so here very easy examples are there, and you know this scholarship inside it was over. 3 square is 9. Okay, if you are writing 3 square is 9, the 9 is the square and 3 is the square root. Yes, 9 is the square and 3 is the square root. And here the square of 3 is 9. We can say that the square root of 9 is how much? 10. And the symbol of this is equal to how much? How it is? Square root of 9 is equal to 3. In this way we have to write. So here one more example given. 7 into 7 means 7 square means only 49, and under root 49 means 49 square root is the 7. 49 square root is the 7. Okay, and then here 8 square is 64. Okay, 8 square is 8 into 8. 8 square is 64, and square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 64 is 8. Or, and here if you done the minus 8 into minus 8 square means only 64, means the square root of 64 square root is 8 also and minus 8 also. Just now I told you. So here sometimes what happens, plus or minus number square root is the same. Sometimes always positive and negative number square roots are the same. But here, okay, if you see here in this example, here minus 8 square we are finding. But if you see here, under root, as I told you, if 81 is there, 81 square is 9 also, square root is 9 also and minus 9 also. But here minus 9 written, and but this sign is outside the bracket. So at that time minus 81 when we are getting, when this minus sign is outside this square root sign, that's then that's answer is the minus 9. Okay, so this is the next method, that is the how to find out the square root, that I will tell you tomorrow. Today your homework is that today whatever I taught you, that is that you have to complete, and with this you have to learn by heart 1 to 30 number square. 1 to 30 number square. That is important. Once you understand it, the next method I will teach you. It was easy. Okay. So today we are going to stop here only. Okay. Thank you and have a good day.